this video, try checking out other videos on this channel, especially in the playlist. I have prepared videos about all laptop and computer problems. And if you don't want to miss the latest video updates, then please subscribe to the channel and activate the bell. Don't forget also, after watching this video, check the description column below this video. Because usually there are important things related to this video, or there are things that, for example, I forgot to convey something in this video, then I will put it in the description. So, you will not miss any information or information that has not been conveyed. And okay, moving on to the video discussion, namely how to remove update and shut down or update and restart like that. Usually the display is in star windows, yes. This method is specifically for Windows 10, friends. Well, when we click this, well, usually friends, if you don't know, if you click it, there will be a display like this. Of course, this is confusing. If it's shut down, it'll restart again, update. If it's restarted, it'll update. Well, so for those of you who don't know how to remove this writing or these yellow dots, it's really easy. Just follow the steps in this video. So, why do you have to remove it? Yes, it has to be removed because normally there are no dots. The writing is restart, shut down, slip like that. But here there's an update like that. Of course, we who don't know are confused about what it means and what it's for, right? Well, to remove it, friends, here, please type service. Well, here, please type service, then select this. The service configuration settings display will open. Well, wait a moment because the laptop is slow, so it loads like this, friends. Loading is really slow. Because this uses 2 gigs of RAM. 2 gigs of Windows 10. Even though if you use Windows 10, the minimum RAM is 4 gigs. Well, friends, it will appear like this. What you have to do is scroll down first. Scroll down to the very bottom. Now, we're looking for the Windows Update text. Well, there's the Windows Update text here. Please double-click it. Please double-click it. Then the option to turn off Windows Update will appear. Now, I'll slide this first so it's visible. Now, slide it first. So before you click restart and update and shut down before clicking this, you have to turn off Windows Update first. But if you've already done it, it's okay to wait. At most, just uninstall the updated programs. Now, please select Disable and click Stop to stop the update request. Actually, it's fine if you update it, yes, if Windows 10 is genuine. Now, the problem is if Windows 10 is not genuine or pirated, well, it will cause an error when restarted, yes. That's why it has to be turned off. So, when you've turned off Windows Update in the service, now you can restart it. There will be an updating process. It's okay to just wait. Usually the process doesn't take long and the laptop will boot as usual. We'll restart the laptop first. Now, I'm recording this using my phone. Because during the update process itself, I can't record the screen itself. So I'm recording it using my phone. That's why the video is a bit blurry, a bit dark. It's done on purpose so the writing can be read, guys. Now, in this restart process, it's quite long because the laptop is still standard, the processor is still standard, and it still uses a hard disk and the RAM is only 2 gigs. So it's natural that it takes a long time, right? Well, this is the update process, guys. It says, running on update. Now, just wait. Usually it doesn't take long if we've turned off Windows Update in the service settings earlier. But if, for example, friends, this takes a really long time, stuck at 0 or 57 or 97, please just comment in the comments column. Ask in the comments column, I will guide and direct you. Well, this doesn't take long. It will immediately restart itself. Well, and here, just wait until it enters the desktop or enters Windows. Yes. It does take a long time. So you have to be patient when the startup takes a long time. Or friends, for example, if you want to speed up the startup, there is a way in my channel playlist how to speed up startup. Well, that can speed up. For example, the startup takes 5 minutes. Well, that becomes 2 minutes. You can use that method. Friends, please look for it in my channel playlist. Well, this is in the updating process. Please just wait. What you have to remember is that during this process, don't let the battery run out, or, for example, don't let it take a long time to turn it off using the power button. Well, that's absolutely not allowed. Absolutely not. So it must be charging, and don't turn it off using the power button. Yes, that is strictly prohibited. Well, if there is a password, please enter the password as usual to enter Windows. Well, when it's like this, we'll check again whether the update and restart are still there or have disappeared. Well, it turns out it's gone, right, friends? For friends, for example, if EE is still there, please ask in the comments column. Later I will